This is my
I've
new
been using the
keyboard.
same mouse for 4
It's a
years.
ducky.
CT dead. C
Mark it.
One's flanking, I think.
Market.
Plenty
Market dead.
Plenty for apps.
One's coming
Market
apps,
dead.
one's coming apps. Got him.
Market dead.
Last time marked it? Or where?
No, he's dead.
Nice.
Oh my god, match. Oh, he's probably AFK, dude. Let's check. See how I read that? See how I read that?
Yeah, dude.
Boom. Yep. Oh no, spawn. And triple, I think. Nice flash, bro.
I
There's
just
AKs all
flashed
over.
for you.
through these flashes over.
Yet.
I'm mollying in. I'm jumping out. Pure of fucking aggression. Here we go. I want eco-frag.
Planning middle is like, oh fuck, don't let me die. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh
You
shit.
fucker.
We playing for a cat?
It's in the middle side.
Nothing market. This guy might be F.
I'm watching apps. Easy for ends, boys. You guys hear that music? That's mine.
That shit that Bobby just did
I
was
wrote the
how
lyrics.
us.
He just free smoked us, A-Ram.
Blink, don't peek with bomb first, you cock.
Did you flash jungle?
That one.
Push up.
One's up.
One triple.
I just saved your life.
Take a booth.
We have set.
Is he take it?
Yeah,
We
so-
don't know.
Wait, no, I already killed
Take
Dick.
it dead.
Probably, maybe coming from underpass.
They probably
That guy
are.
legit sprint into
I
jungle.
wouldn't doubt it.
Keep
I think
taking
there's
it.
one waiting outside of mid. Oh,
Behind us,
Underpass.
behind us, underpass. Can you tell him? I'm
I'm
blind.
already in T-spawn.
Can you tell
Go get
underpass?
him.
Fuck.
I'll go get him. Left side.
Yellow, where are you?
I got him.
I'm out under Belk.
Okay.
Destroy it.
Default
Nice.
dead.
Help. Oh my god, that guy sucked.
20 default.
15 health. Wait, you want? Oh yeah, you didn't have a gun, it's alright. The problem I'm in right now. Can someone flash over high right now? Flash over here.
Smoking CT.
Jungle.
Understairs left.
Flashed in.
I'm flashing.
I'm dead, dude.
One's out. Okay.
Nice. Push up.
There should be one more.
Stairs.
Stairs. One cat. One cat. He's going
Take it.
bottom mid.
Yeah, bomb.
Dead.
Blink.
We have sight.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Very nice. Connector 1, I'm blind.
Okay,
Wow,
no, it's
they
clear.
didn't even attempt it. He's on it. Oh no.
Oh my
Who
lord.
didn't check firebox? Are you kidding?
I was fireboxed.
Alright,
Where the f-
He was ninja, 100%. Or
No,
Palace.
I checked Ninja. He wasn't Palace either. I think,
I was literally fireboxed no way he was there.
dude, might never forget it. Did someone checked behind ticket booth, or did you just assume it was cleared?
I just pushed
They're
it.
CT, so.
One running up mid. Blind. What?
Spawn.
CT dead. C
Blue, come bring bomb.
God
Alright, we
damn
have
it!
a-
I'm so
Blue,
fucking
come in.
annoyed.
Bring bomb.
Shoot him, bro. I don't, it's my fault. I'm playing like, trying to like hold angles and hold options. Like, it's a fucking pug, man. These people are bad. Push it.
stairs dead. I'm lit.
Nice.
Side cat.
No, jungle. Nice.
On site.
Nah. He's
And
gonna
then you
play
just shot
for
me
his
with the dig and
Yeah,
back
but
up.
I was
Just
waiting
back
for you
off, they
guys.
have
He's
pistol.
gonna push. Keep
I'm
killing
full
him.
blown.
Don't let him hit this guy's gun. Move, please, please. God damn it.
He already
Oh,
grabbed
dead.
it. He already grabbed that.
Okay. He's right there.
Close right. Nice.
I'm smoking C2.
Under.
Help. Okay. Okay.
Fuck me.
Some people just
I ran out of fucking mouse pad.
left window one.
He's tagged. You got him.
Going under.
I don't know what to do right now.
I'm gonna cover cat.
Smoked cat.
One more should be A.
One's
I'm
cat
lit.
out.
He smoked
Oh,
off.
I got.
What do you want
Firebox
to do?
looks clear. Palace, I fucking knew it.
Palace. Dead. Plant.
Still one cat.
One
Help
CT.
fell off.
CT.
CT.
What's it planted for?
Fine
CT.
default. He's out.
Nice. Another one there.
outside,
Jason.
outside.
Last guy's set. Wow, I was planning for him too.
Oh my god.
Pushing
Fuck.
CT maybe.
Two triple.
Oh my god. One more.
Yeah, fucking tell me about it. One sandwich.
I can't hit shit. Where you at?
Last one in
Last
front of
guy,
triple.
Well
Nice.
played.
That suck, man. And some Europeans just don't understand. They're just very gullible. So, in their eyes, they're saying something that makes sense. So I'm explaining to them how what they're saying does not make any sense, and in the hopes that they understand. Like when someone tells me, why would you think?
There might be a huge gap.
Why
on
do you
the
think
right
I tell
side.
these guys like stuff? Like, why do you think I'm like, oh, dude, we should have done this. God damn it, guys, we gotta talk more here, blah blah blah. Because I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this game. Like, I'm not an expert in a lot of things, but in this fucking game, as a fucking player on how it's supposed to be played, I know everything. Like, it's very simple. Doesn't mean I'm the best player in the world. There's far more skilled players. Every fucking pro is far more skilled than me at the game right now. But it doesn't mean they know more than me about the game. Does that make sense?
Oh, one apps.
One blind, A-Rap
late.
2.
One's gonna be coming late mid.
Fuck. One house.
Orange rotate.
Out ramp.
Another one ramp. He's deep ramp.
Palace.
Last guy was ahead.
What the hell? I killed the app, my bad, I should have said that.
That means you go mid, not A.
Open with on me.
Doesn't matter, just play.
Help.
House. He's
Okay.
on.
What?
Deploying flashbang.
What is that Tetris? Oh, it's B.
Yeah, it's
Last two are in B. Let's take it together, boys.
He pushed me.
Oh, I'm dead. He's close cat. And the fact of the matter is, most of the people that play today don't even know half the history of Counter-Strike anyway, so it doesn't matter. I think upper B is clear unless they're really in kitchen right now, and I just missed them.
He's chair.
I can see any from my angle.
One's top mid, I heard him.
One's
He's watching my... 100% watching the stream, dude. He just turns around looking at that. J-Tub, let's see, J-Tub. What would
like,
this
you
guy's
could
name
just sit
be
on a
on
B
Twitch?
side, just don't let him
Hood
play.
Fox Live.
Yeah, I think they're getting
They have 25 seconds.
I don't know what his
They
name.
come up connector 100% or ramp.
That's the kit, bro, right there. The kit. Nice.
You got it.
Nice.
Say, why are you
Okay, never mind.
running?
Forget what I said.
Smokes
Do
A,
what you
smokes.
want.
They have mid.
A ramp 1, maybe 2. He out Tetris still. He's trapped behind the molly. I'm making noise spawn.
I heard 1A main. We're coming out both. Last one should be by default.
Playing triple. What the fuck am I?
Was he
What did I
triple?
just see? I don't know. No. I don't think so. Default, I think. He's default for sure. Somewhere or like. Ooh, sick move. I like it. I like it.
GG, yeah.
GG.
Good game.
What a
Stop
fucking
plugging.
game. CT dad, C.
Yeah.